Classic headband. Tie the hairscarf around your head like a headband, leaving your hair loose or styled in waves or curls. Ponytail wrap. Gather your hair into a ponytail and wrap the hairscarf around the base, securing it with a knot or bow. Top knot scarf. Create a top knot bun and wrap the hairscarf around it, letting the ends hang loose or tucking them in for a neater look. Boho braid. Braid your hair and incorporate the hairscarf into the braid, either by weaving it through or using it as one of the 3 strands. Messy bun accent. Style your hair in a messy bun and tie the hairscarf around the bun for a chic, casual look. Half up, half down. Take the top section of your hair and tie it with a hairscarf, leaving the rest of your hair flowing or styled as desired. Bandana style. Fold the hairscarf into a triangle and tie it around your head, covering your hairline for a trendy bandana look. Fishtail scarf braid. Create a fishtail braid and incorporate the hairscarf as one of the sections for a unique and eye-catching style. Side ponytail wrap. Sweep your hair to one side and secure it with a hairscarf, leaving the ends cascading down your shoulder. Turban twist. Wrap the hairscarf around your head in a turban style, covering all or part of your hair for a fashionable statement. Remember, there are endless possibilities, so feel free to get creative and find the style that suits you best. Thanks for watching.